At Iramax, I mean, we have a simple mission, and that is to reduce infections, to reduce healthcare costs, and to improve patient outcomes. We do that through a series of products that are designed to help our more than 22 million healthcare workers.
Our supply chain is critical, right? If we don't have product on the shelf to ship, we're dead. You can sell all you want. If you can't ship and deliver the product, what's the point? You know, that was something that we did in Excel before, which was frankly terrifying to me and everyone else, because it's fraught with complexity, manual effort, very prone to errors.
What I did originally when I started here is I created spreadsheets for each of our products. And every time material was moved or consumed, I manually adjusted it on a spreadsheet.
I would have to make a call to get a report, to then have it in my inbox, to then open up and analyze and assess, and all the inefficiencies that come as a result of that.
We knew from executive management team, from an operational side, that we needed to make a change, upgrade to something new and better, and that's what we did.
We had great training to start with. Velocio has been a super partner for us. They got us set up originally. I actually gave them my spreadsheets, and they were able to set up the original bombs and routers and how things are consumed and how they're used.
For the whole time, really, we've thought about, wouldn't it be nice if we could have everything under one roof of the Microsoft Dynamics family and it all working together. Recently, we've put in CE and Power BI and the Power Platform, and we've really gotten it all under one platform, which has been great.
The integration of Dynamics and 365 was perfectly aligned with our vision and our journey to digitize the enterprise for the 21st century and beyond.
I'm really proud and happy to say that we have a 100% success rate on all the projects that we've done together, and that's not normal. Right? This stuff is hard. All of our projects have come in on time and under budget.
The financials that we're able to provide to our C-level suite and give it to them in the palm of their hand is second to none.
A lot of the systems we're working in now I can have access to on my phone. So, you know, we've developed all these dashboards, financial metrics, complete automated. I can see real time how we're operating any second of any day.
I think Velocio is a very rare company. They're able to partner with you, and I don't use that word lightly. I do feel like it is a partnership because they understood our pain points, understood the issues we were trying to resolve.
Not only technical, but they looked at our business as a whole, what we do, so they had an understanding. It's not just numbers and calculations and formulas. We're making real products for real people, and our support team at Velocio understood that.
Yeah, it's been a big reason that we were able to grow from 5 million to 100 million here in 4 short years, and we're ready for what's next for sure.